Hey everybody, I finally got a moment. I'm going to try to do a little video to explain these steering column plates and what kind of parts come in the kit. So if you're going to do a Mustang 2 suspension, but you want to retain the factory steering wheel and the steering column and the 3 on the tree, or even a Power Glide, I have this little kit, basically the firewall plate. This spacer is going to be used to shorten the shift arm. If you notice, that's the shortened one. And you have your two versions, the Power Glide and 3-speed. They're very long. We're going to shorten those with this. We have a bearing that fits in the bottom of the column and a collar lock. I like to have these machined to a 3/4 DD. We got a grommet for the firewall, and this is our shift 3-speed extender, the input shaft extension, so that the coupler goes under the dash. I'll talk more about that later. Comes with instructions. So we're basically going to show you how to set your column up like this using the kit.